The coronavirus affects each of us. We're changing our way of life to protect our own health and that of others. We may miss many things that are dear to us, but we don't miss the air pollution from cars or the noise of traffic. When we throw open our windows, we can breathe fresher air. We see nature restoring itself. But we shouldn't fool ourselves. We may be getting a better grip on the coronavirus, but we are not getting a grip yet on climate change. The warming of our planet continues, and it will warm even more if we continue to burn fossil fuels. As we now plan to slowly go back to work and to invest billions of euros to restart our economy, we should avoid falling back in old, polluting habits. Instead, we should bounce back better from this pandemic. We can make our society and our planet healthier by investing in renewable energy, by driving clean cars, by renovating our houses and making them energy efficient, by buying sustainable food, reusing materials rather than throwing them away, or producing low-carbon steel. This is the essence of the European Green Deal. The European Green Deal is an agenda for transforming our economy to make it more competitive and improve our quality of life. We will now also make it our motor for the recovery. By using the European Green Deal as our compass, we can turn the crisis of this pandemic into an opportunity to rebuild our economies differently and make them more resilient, so that we also leave a better place for our children. With a green recovery, we will come out of the crisis stronger and healthier.